Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Yeah, feel a dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall, it's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go? Where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible blowing all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night.
Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. 'Cause everything you want is right in front of you, and you see the impossible is coming true, and the walls can't stop us now. Yeah.
Proud ba kayo na nasa Persians kayo? Hindi ko ma-imagine na aabot tayo ng 14 years. Nagsimula na ako dito, marami na mga tao na naniniwala sa akin, ginising ko yung pangarap nila. Hindi pwede na hindi ko sila tulungan. Hindi pwede na pabayaan ko sila. 'Di ba? And the rest is history. Imaginein mo ngayon, 14 years na tayo.
Happy 14th year anniversary, Persians. Ganyan na po tayo katagal. Ganyan na po tayo katatag.
You are going to experience one of the best event in your entire life.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost.
Ito yung mga bagay na dati vision lang namin. Sinasabi lang namin darating yung panahon, lalaki yung grupo natin. Dadami yung magkakaroon ng resulta. Magkakaroon tayo lagi ng mga events. At lahat yung mga dati na sinasabi namin na sana mangyayari at mangyayari pa lang, lahat yun nangyari na.
'Cause every night I lie in bed, the
Nangarap lang din po ako. Ini-imagine ko lang din dati, darating ang time, ano kayong pakiramdam pag ako naman yung maglalakad dito, ako naman yung tatayo dito sa stage.
Maraming beses naisipin mo kung tutuloy ka ba. Pero lagi mo lang tatandaan, ang lahat na nagiging successful, yun yung po yung mga taong tumutuloy lang.
Palagi nila sinasabi, tumuloy ka lang. Kahit hindi ka graduate, patunayan mo na may mararating ka sa negosyo na ginagawa natin.
Ang dami-daming negosyo na pwede kong mapasukan, pero bakit ganito? Pero eto pala yung will ni Lord para sa akin. Hindi ka lang basta magkaroon ng malaking confidence sa sarili mo, makakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao.
Kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyari sa amin, mangyayari din po sa inyo. Kasi kung nagawa po ng isang kargador, kaya mo din. Kasi kaya nga namin. Tama?
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds.
Mamili po tayo. Yung way po ni God o yung way natin. Pinipili ko po yung uno. Yung uno sa buhay natin.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Ang
totoong gusto magtagumpay, hindi lang sinasabi upline. Gusto ko magta-perner. Alam mo para sa akin, ang tagumpay, tanda mo, kahit hindi mo sabihin sa iba, alam mo sa sarili mo na gusto mo magtagumpay.
Maybe wrong to say that you'll bring me along.
Ang maganda sa negosyo natin, marami tayo natutulungan. Marami na talagang nagbagong buhay. So, ibig sabihin, itong negosyo natin talagang may pera dito.
Hindi po ito mangyayari kung hindi po inalaw ni Lord na maging successful. Kaya okay lang ba? Bigyan natin ng milyong palakpak si Lord!
A million dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the road could be. A vision of